This is the prophet Isaiah 13, verse 17. Behold, I will stir up the Medes against them, which shall not regard silver, and as for gold, they shall not delight in it. And this is the prophet Ezekiel 38 and verse 4. It says, And I will turn thee back and put hooks into thy jaws, and I will bring thee forth in all thy army, horse and horsemen, all of them clothed also, so armor, even a great company with bucklers and shields, and all them handling swords. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, Edonai, Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the whole time. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article from APnews.com, and it reads, Russia warned it can take unspecified measures in response to the U.S. drone flights over Black Sea. And it says Russian defense minister ordered officials to prepare a response to U.S. drone flights over the Black Sea. The ministry says Friday in the apparent warning that Moscow may take forceful actions to ward off the American reconnaissance aircraft. The Russian Defense Ministry noted a recent increasing intensity of the U.S. drones over the Black Sea, saying that they conducted intelligence and targeted for precision weapons supplied to the Ukrainian military by the Russian countries for the strikes on Russian facilities. It shows any increased involvement of the U.S. and other NATO countries in the conflict. In the Ukraine on the side of Kharkiv region, ministry says in a statement. It noted that such flights significantly increase the probability of incidents involving Russian military aircraft, which increases the risk of direct confrontation between the alliance and the Russian Federation. Ezekiel chapter 38, verse 4. And I will turn thee back and put hooks into thy jaws, and I will bring thee forth in all thy army, horse and horsemen, all of them clothed with all sorts of armor, even a great company of bucklers and shields, all of them handling swords. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. You know, especially the rising tensions have been heating up for the past 2 or 3 weeks, close to a month now, between Russia and the United States. You know, as I brought out the Isaiah 13, verse 17, you know, the Heavenly Father is going to stir up the Medes against Babylon, against the Western countries. The Medes, which is the modern-day Russians. And the Heavenly Father put that spirit on stirring them up against the Western countries, against the United States and the Western countries. So tensions between Russia and the United States is definitely continuing to heat up, which we've been seeing previously. But as of lately, you know, it's definitely been heating up so far as of lately, you know. And as I brought out that Ezekiel, the 34th chapter, Ezekiel 38 and verse 4, as the Heavenly Father continue to put the hooks and back into the jaws of these Russians to be in that warlike mindset. Russia represents Gog and Magog, and the chief prince of Meshach and Tubal, which represents the bear of the Russians of Ezekiel, the 38th chapter, and through verse 39 as well, too. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from apexnews.com, and it reads again, Russia warned it can take unspecified measures in response to U.S. drone flights over Black Sea. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, and the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the whole tongue. Until next time, I will say Shalom.